So dear students, we will start unit 2nd, that is classification and regression today. So the contents of classification and regression are classification, decision tree learning, Navy bias, linear regression, logistic regression, linear regression models, support vector machines, and beyond binary classifications, multi-class or multinomial classification. So starting with the first, that is the broad class of methods for data modeling are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So both the learnings are doing what? The input attribute set is given to classifier and the output is received, that is nothing but the class labels. So this is nothing but input, that is nothing but attribute set. Means whatever data set we are having, that data set is considered according to the attributes, then it is forwarded to classifier and then the output is generated. And what is output? It is nothing but class label which is used at the time of training purpose. So there are basically these two methods, that is supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So supervised learning is used for structured data set, means it analyzes the training data and generates the function which will be used for other data sets. So it is generally said that this is the machine learning type for making the predictions. So where the tagged data set is used to train the predictive models. We have already covered these topics in unit 1, but the revision is necessary when you are talking about classification, that is in supervised learning. The tag data set is used. This tag data set is nothing but observations, or we can call it as the ground truth value, and these are used for the training purpose. And then this particular that training is nothing but specifying the data in the class label format, and after that this training data is used when you are trying to test the unknown data, that is called as the supervised learning, where you are having the ground truth value. And in unsupervised learning, the second one is unsupervised learning. As its name implies, it is used for raw data sets. Means the main task of unsupervised learning is to convert the raw data into the structured data. In supervised learning, we are already saying that it is used for structured data, but in unsupervised learning, it is transferred from raw data to structured data. In this, we are not having any ground truth value. That is the main funda of unsupervised learning, and that's why it is called as unsupervised learning, because we are not having any ground truth value. So it consists of machine learning, which is used for the pattern discovery. So it is used to surface the underlying pattern and associations in data where we are not having any ground truth value. And in this, the main concepts that are used, that are clustering, because we are not having any ground truth data value. That means we are grouping the data according to whatever features we are trying to find, or we are finding similar, according to that the clustering has been done. So these are the broad class methods for data modeling, where we can say that we are in both the conditions, the input is given to the classifier and the output is generated. Now we will see the classification learning. So in classification learning, the two types are very important. I should say in spite of types, the steps or the phases. So these are the two phases or steps, that is training and testing. So training means whatever data set we are having, we are labeling that data set, and we are saying that this is nothing but the ground truth value. These are the observations which we have made on the existing data set, and that will be used in this testing phase, that is the training and testing funda. So here what we are doing, that as you can say, you can see this, what is training, that learning the classifier from available data. In training phase, what we are doing, the classifier is main in both the things, in training and testing. So in training phase, learning the classifier from the available data, that is training set, and it is in the format of labeling, which we are saying as the tag data, and then it is forwarded to testing. In the testing phase, The testing how well the classifier performs is necessary from the testing set. Now the training set is different and testing set is different. Whatever we are trying to observe in the training side, that will be tested on the testing set. So this is basic funda for the classification learning, where we are giving the attributes which are also called as nothing but tuple from xy, where x is the attribute set and y is the spatial attribute set. So from that we are doing the classification according to its various features. So this is nothing but the general concept of classification. In our next section we will see this classification, descriptive modeling and predictive modeling in detail. Thank you.